好，
Hello,
来
hello, hello, guys. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, judges. Good morning. My name is Car, and my project is Keepr. It's a project about Keepr is a platform for digital receipt. So when we talk about receipts, okay, we all have this issue that we think that receipts are inconvenient, but unfortunately, it's mandatory, right? But let me show you how Keepr can improve your customers' experience and also your business performance. So why do we need receipts? Let's see this at two different perspectives from your customers and for your business. For customers, mainly for four main reasons: the proof of purchase, your warranty, tax filing, expense claims. Okay, if you submit an expense for your tax relief, you actually need to keep the receipt for 7 years. Okay, and for your business, of course, your proof of sales, tax, and if you notice, it's actually also a platform for marketing and information. Okay, what's the issue with paper receipts? So we all experience this, right? We all try to figure out where we keep our receipts, and then even if lucky enough to find it, the information, the tiny information we need from the receipts is already faded. Okay, because the ink never lasts. Business-wise, if you look at these three companies from three different industries, Aeon, KFC, Petron, they spend millions annually just on the paper, just on thermal paper itself. Okay, I'm not saying that they can't afford it. I'm saying that they can make better use of the money. Okay, so this is an interesting one. Okay, do we even realize that all this marketing information being printed at the back of the receipt, is it even effective? No, so colorful, so informative, yet businesses can't even measure the effectiveness of this marketing approach. Okay, it's 2020 right now, we want a mobile solution. Okay, we want everything in our mobile phone. So our solution is that we'll have a web app for your business, and for your customer, we'll have a mobile app. How does it work? Easy. Imagine you're shopping right now. Right after you make your payment, you just gotta scan the QR code from the seller. Once you scan the QR code, you receive a receipt. If you have our app, it goes into the app. If you do not have the app, it goes into your photo album if you want to save them. So right now, your customer can save all the receipts, can track all the receipts effortlessly. Be it when you do your tax filing, be it when you want to check your warranty, it's all in your phone. You don't need to go through your old files again. Okay, we also have a reward function here. It's where your customer can search all the reward, sales from your business. Reward is a great platform to build your customer loyalty. So for your business, receipt customization, this is where you can you can redesign the design of the receipts anyhow, as and when you want. Okay, you can put in video, you can put in a promotional banner. Anything is supported. So marketing platform, since you'll be storing receipts for your customer each time they make a purchase, okay, we can easily harness the data of your customer spending behavior, what they buy, when they buy, how frequent they buy. Okay, that makes us the most effective platform for your marketing. Right now you can do all your promotion. If you want to promote your business, you want to promote your service, you want to promote your products, we already know who would be interested. Okay, our services will be divided into three phases. The first one, we just want to issue receipts and customization. Right after we have enough fraction, we transform into a data management platform and provide data analytics for businesses to make better business decisions. Okay, of course, marketing. And then for phase 3, we hope that it become a platform for invoice. All your telco invoice, all your utility bills, we want to standardize and consolidate them into one platform. Okay, this is our plan. By end of this year, we have our proof of concept and UAT. Okay, if everything goes well, by 2021, we'll go with capital raising. We want to collaborate with Post System to bundle us up. Okay, by 2023, we hope that Keepr is going to be the main platform for digital receipts and also invoice. Okay, how much are we charging right now? $39 for 10,000 prints. Okay, this model is way cheaper than thermal paper. Okay, what's the market size? Okay, 1.12 billion. This is a 2025 value projection for thermal paper. If Keepr managed to convert 1% of that, that's 11.2 million market. Okay, this is our team now. I'm Car. Okay, I'm the founder, and then we have 2 programmers and 1 graphic designer. My background is on finance and data. Okay, the progress, because we want to start small and start fast, we actually engage all these cafes to start to try out with us, and this is the one cafe that agreed to do that with us. Okay, if I want to leave one message to you guys, is that everything that can be digitalized will be digitalized. Why not receipt? Okay, do you actually believe that in years later we're still holding paper receipt? I doubt that. Okay, Taiwan started, Hong Kong started, so Keepr will be the first one in Malaysia. Thank you.
好，评审请发问。Keepr， 来罗老师。
Hello.
Hi.
孙老师。
We all know that now all the counters has to deal with so many different e-wallet solutions, so many things need to scan, right? So I think one of the key competitive advantage you need to have is how are you going to acquire businesses to become your customer? And what is your strategy to tackle this?
Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, like I said, how much are the companies spending? If you look at Aeon, KFC, and Petron, they spend millions annually. I'm not saying that they can't afford it, but if I can provide a solution for them to reduce their costs, I don't see why not. Other than that, we also transforming into a marketing platform for them. You know, we provide them the data on what are the customers like, when do they buy.
Sorry,
Yes,
Tajin's question actually is very direct. If when it comes to e-wallet, receipt will be digitalized. So how are you going to compete with those e-wallet digitalized? What is the differentiation you have?
Thank
I
you.
think that is Tajin's question's original question.
Okay, thank you. And sorry, I have to disagree with that. Even right now, if you pay via e-wallet, they're still providing you receipt paper.
Yeah, but there's the current. We're talking about the future.
We can't see the future right now because I mean,
I think you get what I mean, right?
I get what you mean.
But
I get what-
if we all go, just like in China, if today you go to China, do you receive any paper receipt? No, everything go to WeChat Pay. So how are you going to compete with that? That is the question that Tejun Lao is asking you.
okay, okay, let me put it this way. Like I mentioned earlier, even if you pay with e-wallet, you're still taking the receipt. Okay, that's not a proof of transaction, even for your warranty and for your tax filing. We can't submit that's a proof of payment. That's not the proof of your purchase. I hope I answered your question.
Okay, I think the other issue is data protection, data security, and also privacy protection. How do you work on that? Because obviously you keep all the data on the cloud, right? So data protection is data security is issue, and then how do you work on the PDPA requirement?
Okay, this will go through with AWS. Okay, they actually provide security on that. Any data that we keep, they have the consent to help us keep that and manage that. Okay, right now we do not have our own server because we want to validate the market, so we'll use AWS. It's provided.
I think we are not short of idea, we are not short of technology, but we are short of business solution. I've not seen the solution, I've not seen the business model yet. Because if you are saying that you want to provide to Aeon, so you're just a software provider to them. You're just providing a solution to them. So how do you scale up that kind of business solution providing, and you're saying you want to sell to all those post supplier, so you're just another software company selling another solution to them.
Okay, to a certain degree, that's right, but it will be a consolidated software. You know, I'm not going like develop software for each of different system. It's only on digital receipts. Okay, it's like you have Facebook, but they don't actually build their messenger. I hope I answer your question.
But obviously your problem is you keep all on your platform, right? But for all the chain shop and stuff like that, they would want to keep their own data. So are you going to white label it for them?
Yes, because like I said, on the second phase, we will transform ourselves into a data management platform, provide business analytics for businesses.
Okay, we focus more on the merchants just now, right? Because I understand your the data and then whatever what development or the statistics that you can provide to the merchants. But how about the end user, the consumer? Let's say I have all my e-receipt. Then how?
Okay, right now you can keep all your receipts. Okay, maybe it's for your tax filing. Okay,
I still have to print it out, right?
I believe that wouldn't be the case in the future. Look at DG right now; they can actually.
No, then you have to talk to government because they need the physical receipt, not me, right? So I don't see any extra convenience for the consumer, the end user. So maybe you can give it a thought, yeah.
Okay, for end user, like I mentioned just now, why we want to have our receipts? Okay, the three functions: warranty, our tax, and expense claim. Okay, if you're a frequent business traveler, you'll be traveling for your business trip, right? You'll be stacking all your receipts. And then the receipts, right, will always fade. It's hard to manage. So right now, if you have that all in your app, and you can easily do your submission.
You see, now in Malaysia, we still have to file in the physical receipt. So to me, it's like, okay, I'll go back to the same thing. You understand what I mean?
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.